Today we're going over a simple approach for the pistol squat. Pistol squats are a unilateral leg exercise used to build basic to intermediate level leg strength. They work our quads, glutes, hip flexors, and hamstrings. The instability from working one leg at a time requires us to use more strength as we load each leg with more of our body weight. All you need is an open area to get started. I suggest being able to do 10 full range of motion squats with no knee pain. First up, the rolling squat. From a stand with feet shoulder width or slightly wider, squat down, then round your back, holding knees to chest, roll back to your feet, and stand back up. Squat, round, back, feet. Make sure not to open up, look at your knees, and keep that round shape. Next up, the single leg rolling squat with hands. From a stand with arms out to the side, lift one leg. Keep that knee locked and held as close to horizontal as possible. Point your toes. Begin pushing the hips back, lowering the arms to the floor and using your fingers to assist as you roll to your back. The lifted leg's foot never touches the ground. Squeeze those quads and hip flexors. When that gets easy, try without using your hands. Don't allow the knees to cave in. Once you can do multiple reps of the single leg rolling squat, it's time for the full pistol squat. From a stand, extend one leg parallel to the floor, toes pointed. Push the hips back as you lower into the pistol squat. At first, only lower halfway or so, and over time, work on getting closer to the floor. If your ankle mobility is prohibiting you from any of the progressions, you can use the kneeling Achilles stretch to help remedy this. Start on the ground with one leg bent and one leg bent behind you, keeping the heel pressed firmly in the floor. Press your knee over your foot. Hold for time. If body weight isn't enough, add weight to the top of your knee. Achieving the pistol squat is a major milestone in your bodyweight training journey. You'll build stronger, more functional legs using an exercise that can practically be done anywhere. If you don't have regular access to weights, they're a good alternative for front and back squats. You won't get tree trunks like a bodybuilder, but if your goal is to get a lean, balanced physique, these are a great option. See you in the next one.